Hey guys, welcome back to Ceramics con Corazon. I'm Mr. Gomez, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to fill out a project planning sheet. Now, a project planning sheet is the best way for you guys to get started on your projects and start off with an idea before you actually get started with clay. Now, what this is going to do is it's going to help you start off with some ideas in pencil, finalize that idea, give it some color so the teacher understands what you want to get through in the clay. All right, and then you get it signed by the teacher down there, and that will let them know that you are ready to go, get you started, all that good stuff. So I hope you guys liked the video. So like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in a bit. See ya. Alright guys, so we're going to start this planning sheet off by first putting our name here, putting the date, putting the period so I know who this is. Now, the instructions say please do 3 sketches. Alright, so we're just going to put that quick information in and we're going to get started. Alright. So we're going to start with these 3 sketches. Now it's only 3, but I highly suggest that you do more than 3 just so you have a clear idea of what you want to do. Now look at these sketches that I'm doing, not too detailed, not too plain, enough for me to see what you're trying to come across and how I can help you to build these projects. Now this one in specific is for Dia de los Muertos, Halloween, and the Monarch Migrations. Alright, now that I have my 3 sketches, what I'm going to do is flip this over to explain a little bit what the final idea is going to look like. I'm going to choose the Catrina one and I'm going to put a project title right here where it says project title. I'm going to star my Catrina because that is the one I'm going to want to do. I am then going to go over to the technique and I'm going to circle coil building technique because that's what we're going to use to build this. Right here it says what technique will you be using to build this project, and that's exactly what I'm going to do, just coil building. Alright, that'll earn you about 10 points for these 2 things right here and 40 points for the front side. Alright, so we are going to start with the final sketch. Now this sketch is going to let me know how you want to build this project. I want you to be as detailed as possible so I understand what kind of project you're trying to do. Try to add those minute details and I will explain to you how to do those with glaze. Another big thing that I want you guys to think about is the writing portion. Now there is a statement right there that says that you need to write and explain to me what you are trying to make and how you are trying to make it. So right here, that's what I'm doing, adding those details. Now this is going to give me the information I need to help you on your journey of creating this specific project. So make sure you are detailed, and that's what the color is there for too. Depending on what kind of color you are trying to use for your projects, I can definitely help you mix those colors, get the right details and the right shades in there, and potentially even change some of those colors to balance it out and make sure that your piece makes sense overall. And this is how you'll get 20 points for doing your finalized sketch. These details are going to be something we're going to talk about together when you bring this up to me. Don't forget to put the date right where I'm writing it right there. That is your due date of when you think you will be done with your project. Now this is going to help me to stop and help you to get this project done on time. So we're going to talk about what to do when you bring this up to me and how you'll get scored at the end of the month. Alright, so when you bring this up to me, I'm going to be looking for those key components. I'm going to make sure you have that due date, that you have your 3 sketches along with the one that is starred saying that that is the one you're going to do. And that's basically it. I'm just confirming that all of your information is done on the front side and then on the back side as well, making sure you have that technique, the title, as well as your sentences with your final sketch in color. And then I am just going to sign it at the bottom and date it with my stamp so I know that you're done and you're ready to get started on this project. Alright, now I want you guys to remember this due date because this is something that you need to get started with, alright? So if you do not have my signature or the stamp, you cannot get started with clay. So make sure you have that, okay guys? I will see you in a bit. Alright you guys, that is the end of our video. I hope you liked the planning sheet video. We will be using these planning sheets throughout the year, so don't forget to fill one out. Remember, pencil, color pencil, get that signature so you can get started. And I hope you guys liked the video. Comment, like, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I will see you in the next one.